The Dewalt 20V Cordless Tiller is a versatile gardening tool that offers compatibility with a wide range of Dewalt 20V lithium-ion batteries, making it a convenient choice for those who already own Dewalt tools. Equipped with 48 durable steel tines, this tiller operates at up to 360 revolutions per minute, allowing it to efficiently cultivate areas up to 9 inches wide and 7 inches deep. Its lightweight and ergonomic design, featuring an adjustable auxiliary handle, ensures comfort and ease of use, making it suitable for gardening enthusiasts of all ages. Safety is a priority with the Dewalt 20V Cordless Tiller, as it includes a safety switch that requires both the safety button and trigger to be pressed simultaneously for operation. The tiller is designed for easy maintenance with detachable gears, allowing for quick removal of stuck weeds, ensuring it is ready for the next use. This cordless tiller by Ergonomic is a user-friendly and efficient tool that simplifies gardening tasks, providing reliable performance and peace of mind.